Friends, are you thinking of starting a business that will bring you good profits and save our planet? If yes, then this video is for you. The world is changing rapidly, due to which pollution is increasing and resources are dwindling. And due to this, many people today are turning towards sustainable options. Due to this, the demand for eco-friendly manufacturing businesses is growing rapidly. Moreover, in a time when today's environment is a big challenge, these businesses have a bright future. Yes, our old manufacturing model is no longer working, and we need to choose a new path immediately. But the question is, what kind of manufacturing work should we do? Most importantly, what is the demand? Don't worry, we've done extensive research for you. In today's video, we will discuss the top 10 amazing eco-friendly manufacturing business ideas that are not only good for the environment, but can also get government subsidies. So watch the full video and let us know in the comment box which of these manufacturing industries is your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Come on, let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Biodegradable packaging production. Today, the market for this environmentally friendly biodegradable packaging is an alternative to plastic that is growing rapidly all over the world. Because it is completely biodegradable and dissolves in the soil within a few weeks. So you can use a small molding machine to make eco-friendly cups, plates and boxes. You can make them from such natural materials such as sugarcane syrup, cornstarch or bamboo at home. Moreover, these products are in high demand in restaurants, cafes and food delivery companies. So you can easily sell your products there. Number 2 is algae-based bioplastic production. Friends, another revolutionary idea is to create bioplastic from algae, which is strong and fully recyclable. Moreover, algae grows fast and is easy to cultivate anywhere. Due to this, today in many countries, bottles, bags and even car parts are made from the bioplastic. This is an innovative product business, and in the coming years, it can become a cheap and sustainable alternative to plastic. So you can start a business of making bioplastic from this algae and make good profits. Number 3. Eco-friendly paint production. Today, the conventional paints in the market contain harmful chemicals that contribute to air pollution. Moreover, people are looking for sustainable alternative paints. So you can make eco-friendly paints using natural ingredients like lime, clay and plant-based oils. These paints are non-toxic, odorless and long-lasting. Moreover, they can be introduced as a highly profitable and premium green brand while meeting the rapidly growing demand in the home decoration and construction industries. Next is eco-friendly building block production. The construction industry is one of the most polluting industries in the world. But now new eco-friendly building blocks are being created from old broken concrete bricks. Yes, these are strong, durable and cheap, and also reduce the need for mining. Also, today's architects and construction workers are interested in sustainable housing. So you can collect and process concrete construction and demolition waste, then mix it with cement and other materials to make green building materials. Also, this business idea for you could become the foundation of green construction in the future. Number 5. Sustainable fashion production. Friends, the fashion industry is the second largest polluting industry in the world due to its high consumption of water and energy, widespread pollution from dyeing and synthetic fibers. But now, the era of sustainable fashion has begun, and yes, today clothes are made from organic cotton, bamboo and recycled fabrics. This trend is not only environmentally friendly, but it is also gaining popularity among customers. So if you want to start a clothing business, making clothes from sustainable recycled fabrics can make a big difference for you. Number 6 is renewable energy components production. The future of green energy is growing rapidly, and components such as solar panel frames, wind turbine blades and battery boxes are now made from biomaterials. This significantly reduces the carbon footprint and ensures long-term sustainable energy production. So you can get involved in a sustainable solar cell frame, wind turbine blades and battery boxes manufacturing business. This sector is still new, but investing in it means capturing the business of tomorrow. Number 7 is biocomposites production for automobiles. Nowadays, even automobile industry is going green. Today, many automobile manufacturers are now using natural materials like coconut shells, jute and bamboo for their car dashboards and interior parts. These are lightweight, durable and recyclable. Most importantly, it also increases the fuel efficiency of cars. In the future, the automobile industry may completely depend on eco-friendly components. So you can focus on starting a biocomposites manufacturing business for these automobiles. Number 8. Eco-friendly paper production from agri-waste. Earlier, forests were usually cut down to make paper, but now eco-friendly paper is being made from rice and wheat straw, sugarcane, bagasse, and other agricultural waste. This method not only prevents environmental pollution, but also provides additional income to farmers. So you can buy agricultural waste from farmers near you and start this paper manufacturing business on a small scale and expand it to a large scale. Number 9 is biodegradable cutlery and tableware. Plastic spoons, forks, and plates are common in the food industry, but now they are being replaced by fully biodegradable cutlery made from sugarcane leaves, cornstarch, and betel leaves. It decomposes quickly and does not release harmful chemicals. Hotels and restaurants are increasingly demanding such products, so starting this biodegradable cutlery and tableware manufacturing business can be very profitable. Number 10. Bamboo products manufacturing. Bamboo is a fast-growing and environmentally friendly raw material. Yes, you can use it to make toothbrushes, musical instruments, furniture, and decorative items. Moreover, the market for these bamboo products is growing rapidly due to its sustainability, and these products are in high demand in the global market, especially in Europe and the United States. Therefore, you can also start an export business of handmade bamboo products by weaving these bamboo products or by working with local artisans. Friends, these are some eco-friendly manufacturing business ideas that not only protect the environment, but also provide a golden business opportunity for tomorrow. And there are many more eco-friendly manufacturing businesses. However, the future of these 10 eco-friendly green businesses is bright. So if you start small today, you can become a sustainable entrepreneur tomorrow. All the businesses listed above are part of the industry. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.